We guarantee results for any licensed life insurance agent that we accept into our program. And in this video, I'm going to give you the 3 keys to why we can guarantee results and also end with why it's the only way that we do business. And so key number 1 is a proven and systematic sales process. You see, most agents out there have succumbed to this key failure point of misdiagnosing a sales problem as a marketing problem, aka if they just get enough leads, the right leads, that they'll earn more money. And after working with 800 plus agents, we have proven that your sales process matters way more than your lead source, right? And we realize that we can guarantee your results with the right sales system regardless of your lead source, whether you're getting them from us or not. And so key number 1 is having a proven systematic sales process to have your client closing themselves or selling themselves on why they need your solution, because it's presented in such a way that it's a perfect puzzle piece that fits into their problem that they're fully aware of and have an intense desire to solve. And so they see it clearly, and with clarity, people make progress and close. Key number 2 is world-class coaching, accountability, and support. And the accountability piece is huge, right? We hold you accountable to a proven process that we stand behind and, in fact, we're guaranteeing, right? And so we work with you one-on-one. We have an incredible training foundation that we take you through on our proven sales process, but then we give you access to 4+ coaching calls a week where you get access to our team of experts, including myself, where we work with you on cases to help them close into commissions, right? We're here to help you earn more money and grow your commission statement rather than your credit card balance. And we're going to support you before, during, and after the call with our team, our community, our private client support portal, and everything in between. And then key number 3 is personalized and profitable marketing strategy. Why is it personalized? Well, that doesn't mean that we're going to put your picture on the confirmation page of every new lead that we market to attract to you exclusively. While we do that, but what makes this personalized, more importantly, is having the right and profitable marketing strategy for you. What does that mean? That means, depending on where you're at in your business, the answer for you might be not found in marketing. It might not be getting more leads. See, the industry has sold you on that, and we started with that is because the sales system is more important than the lead source, right? Because if to think otherwise is probably what's led you maybe growing your debt or not earning what you want. It's akin to pouring liquid gold into a leaky bucket. And so if you're not making 6 figures plus consistently, like you can't remember the last time you made less than that in this industry, then you don't have a marketing problem. You don't need leads. The profitable personalized marketing strategy is a sales system to convert the opportunity that's already in your orbit. Right? And you might be thinking, well, Jim, I already burned through my warm market. Yeah, maybe trying to sell them insurance you have, but if you make a compelling offer that perfectly positions your solution to a problem that they're fully aware of and that they have an intense desire to solve, we teach you this entire process, well, then the profitable marketing strategy is a sales system to your database of existing opportunity. There's a free red hot source of leads within every client that we accept. Otherwise, we wouldn't even offer you opportunity to get into our program. But the right marketing strategy happens to do with where you're at in your business, and where you're at in your business is the objective reference point of whether you have a sales or marketing problem, right? And so the profitable marketing strategy for you is dependent on where you're at. If you're consistently or never have made less than 6 figures, then you probably just need a sales system, our coaching and support to make your first 15K. But if you're consistently making $10,000 plus a month, well, you've kind of success leaves clues, and you have measurable reference to being able to consistently close. So you maybe could be made better with our sales system. We have people come and make $40,000 a month, so they're selling already, and then they go to $80,000, $90,000, $100,000 a month with our system. So your sales process can always get better and more systematic, especially when handling cold leads generated online. But regardless, if you've already proven yourself and you're trying to get to the next level, well, then we're probably going to offer you the right profitable marketing strategy, which is an exclusive territory marketing campaign with us, right? Exclusive. The leads are yours forever. And the campaign does not have any competition, right? We only allow so many agents in any given territory. Each state has so many territories based on population density and campaign targeting metrics. And so the third key is a profitable and personalized marketing strategy. What makes it profitable is it solves for where you're at in your business. Regardless of where you work with us, our guarantee is that come into our systems, follow our process, do what we say when we say, and we guarantee you'll make more money. Sometimes that's 2x what you invested. Our goal is for you to make multiples beyond that, because the only difference between somebody who breaks even or goes 2x or goes 10x is the leverage they apply to our system. And that's your opportunity. We can't wait to work with you. We can't wait to speak with you. If you're watching this video, there's a good chance you're already in the process of exploring the opportunity to partner with us and help you earn more commissions rather than grow your credit card balance. We'll see you on the inside.